Did you know that you can make gut-healthy pancakes at home that taste better than store-bought? And the star of our recipe today is this probiotic-filled kefir. Growing up in Belarus, all I knew when my mama made these pancakes is that they tasted amazing. What I didn't know until I was adult is they're actually good and healthy for you. And as a single income military family, I love the fact that it cost me only $5 to feed my family of six a healthy breakfast. I always shake my kefir first, and I buy my kefir at Aldi. And there's different flavors, and we have tried, blueberry, strawberry, but we always end up liking strawberry flavor better. So I'm going to measure out 2 cups of kefir. And I forgot to mention to you guys that in Russian language, these pancakes are called Oladi. As a mom to 4 children, I try my best to make healthy meals. And so as far as sugar content for this recipe, I add about 1/4 cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons or so, but you can definitely add more or less to your preference. This recipe calls for 2 eggs, and I am so thankful that our chicken's right now laying probably too many eggs, more than we can eat. So we usually share with friends and family. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. But if you're not familiar with kefir, as I mentioned, growing up in Belarus, that's something we drank all the time. As a kid, I did not have the option of strawberry flavor, peach flavor, whatever flavor you can think of, they make it now. We just had plain one. And it always tastes, take 2. Go back to talking about kefir. So I'm going to right now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Once I add 2 cups of flour, I'm going to let my batter just sit and rest for a little bit. But I want to let you know about kefir if you're not familiar with it. Kefir contains, here it says 14 live and active probiotic cultures. It also has high in calcium, vitamin D, and a good source of protein. So when my kids eat these pancakes, I feel like they're not coming back and saying 30 minutes, "I'm hungry, Mom." That usually keeps them pretty full until lunchtime. The reason I let my batter rest for a little bit is to give time for kefir to react with baking soda, which will give us nice big bubbles inside our pancakes so they're not flat, so they're fluffy, full of air, and also very, very moist.
You want your pan nice and hot with a generous amount of oil. This is what's going to give you Oladi, that beautiful, crispy, golden ring around the edges that everybody loves. Russian Oladi are smaller in size compared to American pancake, but today I'm going to do something different.
Today, the shape of our Oladis are going to be a little bit different. We're going to improvise by using a baggie instead of a squirting bottle. And we're going to make mini Oladi or mini pancakes, which should be a super fun breakfast for the kids.
I filled up a Ziploc bag with a batter, and I used gallon-size bag. Then I closed it up and snipped one of the corners and then went to work making pancakes.
You know Oladi are ready to be flipped when little bubbles start forming on the top and sides of the pancake.
I highly recommend doubling your batch because in my house, these pancakes never last a long time. So this is it, my friends. Come back as I will share more budget-friendly and delicious recipes with you.